The Epson EcoTank ET 4800 printer includes a built-in fax function that allows you to send and receive documents through a traditional phone line. Before using this feature, the printer must be connected to a telephone line and configured with the correct fax settings. Once setup is complete, the ET4800 can scan documents and transmit them directly to another fax machine. The process only takes a few minutes and ensures reliable fax communication for home or office use. Try these. Step 1. Connect a telephone line cable to the line port on the back of the printer, then plug the other end into your wall phone jack. Step 2. Turn on the printer and open the fax setup menu from the control panel display. Step 3. Follow the prompts to enter your fax number, device name, and regional settings. Step 4. Choose your preferred receive mode, auto or manual, depending on whether the printer will answer calls automatically. Step 5. Place a document on the scanner and send a test fax to confirm the fax setup is working correctly.